Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to solve the cannot share the printer. Printer settings could not be saved. Operation could not be completed. Error 0x000006d9. Solution 1. Press the Windows key and type in the Services, and click on Services into the search bar. In the Windows Firewall window, locate the Windows Firewall. Right-click on Windows Firewall and select Properties. In the Properties window, click Restart. If not working, this issue may occur if you've stopped or disabled the Antivirus Firewall Service. Click on Disabled and again enable the firewall. Solution 2. Press the Windows key and type in the Troubleshooter, and click on Troubleshooter Settings into the search bar. Click on the Other Troubleshooter option. Now, locate the Printer Troubleshooter and press the Run button next to it. Once the troubleshooter completes the scanning process, then it asks you to apply this fix. Hopefully, running the Printer Troubleshooter has resolved your error. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel into the search bar. Click on the Control Panel option. Click on the Network and Internet. Click on the Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings in Windows to open the settings shown directly below. Click on Private Network. Select the Turn on Network Discovery option if required. Select the Turn on File and Printer Sharing setting if printer sharing isn't enabled. Save and close the window. Now restart your computer. Solution 4. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Now select View by and small icon. Now select Devices and Printers. Now select Printer and Scanners. Select Share a Printer. Printer Properties. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.